Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to find out host name and IP address in Python. So first we are going to import a socket library. So this will be import socket. And then we are going to define our function def show host IP, and we will get a host name by using input function. Please enter website URL. And then we will have a try block. Inside try, we are going to print the hostname first. This will be hostname using f string. And now we are going to get the IP address of this website. So we are going to use the sockets method get host by name, and we are going to print the IP. So this will be print IP socket dot get host by name, and we are going to pass host name. In our accept block reception, we are going to use socket dot GA I error s error, and we are going to print invalid invalid host name and error, and we are going to print the error. And now we are going to call this function to check. So this function is let me show host IP. This would be show host IP. Now we just need to save and run our script. We need to enter the website name, URL, and then you will get the IP address also. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel, Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.